Yeah, hi guys. How na dey? So guys, this one I'm holding is net material. It's net material. So watch me as I'm doing it. So guys, please and please always help me share my video. I'm begging you guys. To those that always do, thank you so much. Thank you. I really appreciate. Thank you so much. May you all never lack. So I'm going to take that one to the back. So and I will suck it at the back. I'm sucking it inside. That is what I'm doing. What I'm doing. So the hand I'm holding, let's just pin that place down. So that place I'm holding, I want to pin it down. So the hand I'm holding now, that hand, just watching me the way I would do it. I watch the way I would do it. So it's very simple to grab. So guys, continue watching the way I'm doing it. That's how we'll fold it again, fold it again. Continue watching the way I'm doing it. So that small one, I just put it there. Then this is rubber band. This is to band it together. So guys, just continue watching. Please and please guys, let me beg you once again. Please, as you are watching, please help me to share. Help me to share. Please, I'm begging you guys. Please. Share. Share to group. Share as many as you can do. Thank you so much, guys. I really appreciate every one of you. So after time like this, we're going to spread it. You can see the way I'm doing it. I'm spreading it. See? So then suck that little one inside and place it here. Anywhere you want it to be. You want it to be at the center, as in your front. You can put it, or if you want it to be side like this, you can put it. Then use a pin. And use pin to pin it from the back, then pin it down so that it will to stand there, not that you will just leave it like that. So that is what I'm trying to do. So as you can see it, so I want to use the pin again to pin the other side that's in that place so that it will stand normal. Yeah. Okay. See it now. So that rubber that is appearing, how do you want to do it? So let me just use that little brush to cover it. Then use pin to pin it down. You see that it will cover it now. As you can see, guys, see? How did you see the style? How did you see it? So please, guys, drop your comments. Did you love it? Let me just show you the back. This is the back. So how did you see it? See you in my next video. Bye.